Well, away they go. Let's keep an eye on those bright yellow socks. Warholm, we know, likes to go out strongly, and he's done so again today. He was talking in the press conference about whether or not he should change his style and keep something in reserve for later on in the race. We know how strongly Samba finishes, but at the moment, it's Warholm being chased down by McMaster. McMaster's having a first great 200 here, but Warholm, but look at Samba now getting into his stride. Samba is making the ground here with 125 to go. Samba already looking round into the home straight. Remember, he's beaten Warholm. Warholm hit that barrier there badly, and Samba surely is going to take this away. Tracked by McMaster. Samba is going to come away. It's going to be 5 out of 5. 46.98. It's a world lead yet again. And Abderrahman Samba just goes from strength to strength. 5 races, 5 victories, and he's getting faster and faster. And as befits a man with his name, Samba, he has everyone dancing to his tune.
Unbelievable, unbelievable, Chris. The second man ever in history under 47 seconds. The world record from Kevin Young goes back to 1992, those Olympics in Barcelona, Spain. Well, that record may well now be living on borrowed time. People have been beginning to think that over recent weeks when Samba has looked unbeatable and so strong. But today, wow, did he have that race put to bed by 300 metres in, and then it was just him against the clock. Warholm, the world champion, under so much pressure that he hit that 9th barrier hard. But goodness me, there was no stopping Samba tonight. And only the second man ever, let me repeat, under 47 seconds. Magical stuff.